How are you doing? Welcome to Passionately Intrigued Arts and More with Tracy. I have all these they're not tomatoes, sweet potato slips that have grown out of these potatoes. And I have, one, two, three, four, and five. The two larger ones I'm not going to do right now. Or the three larger ones. I don't know. There are several I'm not going to do right now. I just want to try this. Then I have this dud. All planted at the same time. And this is what I get. This is not even going in my compost. I'm going to throw this one away because something is truly wrong with this one. So I think this is how you do it. You root the potato to get the slips. Okay? And then when you do that, I pour the water off of this one. So you get all these roots, but you don't plant your potato. You take the slips off and root those. I'm guessing that's how it works. I think that's how it works. And then maybe I will put this in the ground too. I don't know. So, I'm just going to break these slips off. But first, let me fill this with water. And this is water that's been sitting for days and days and days. So it shouldn't have the fluoride in it. It should have dissipated. Fluoride, chlorine, whatever is in our water. Hopefully. Let's put the water in here. And let's start. And I'm just going to break these slips off. And I'm just assuming you snap them off and they'll grow roots. And stick them in here. Of course the phone rings, right? That was Brother Jeffrey. I had to answer that. Anywho, so let's just take these off. And tell me if I'm doing this wrong, but I believe you just pop them off. And they will root. That's why I'm not going to do all of them right now. I'm going to do these ones that I have right here and get some roots going on. And then these I can plant into the ground. But let me tell you something. Michigan, right? Zone A. Do you know it's going to drop down 39 degrees? It is May, 22nd today? It's going to drop down to 29 degrees tonight. 39 degrees tonight. What in the world? I'm going to save these little ones to put, well, I'll take them off because I'm going to put them in a shorter container. I'll put those right back in here. And then I'm wondering, do I plant this as well? Because it has some sprouts on it. That would be interesting as well. Or put it back in water and get some more slips. But I have sweet potato slips galore. I don't think I need any more. Okay, so I did that one. Let's take this one out. And it was one of these smaller. These are the purple potatoes that I grew last season. And I overwintered them in the basement. You know, they were small little slivers of things. A little bigger than a French fry. And I didn't want to eat them. I saved them. So these are my potatoes from last season. But I planted potatoes last year. I didn't do it with these slips. Oh, look at that one. Already has all the roots when I pulled it off. Got a grand start. Get in there. So I'm just putting them in the water. Let me keep it moving. I'm just going to go back and forth, put in the shorter ones. I'm going to leave those on there. Put in the shorter ones in the shorter cup and the longer ones in this taller vase. These are very short. I'm going to leave these on here. Except for this one. I'm going to leave those on there. Okay, let's do this one. Aren't they beautiful? Aren't they just beautiful? And I don't know if you can see it or not, but the leaves have purple within them. I don't know if you can see that. Oh, there's two in here. Are there two? Oh yeah, there's two in here. Look at those roots. So, let's take these toothpicks out. And I'm going to pop off all the dead leaves, yellowing leaves. Put those in the compost. And let's start taking these off. I'm going to go ahead and speed up the video while I do these. So what I'm going to do now is take these potatoes that I've taken most of the slips off, and I'm just going to put them back in this container. I think I'm going to put them all in here and let them continue to grow slips. And maybe I'll put these in the ground, or maybe I'll take slips off. I don't know. I don't want to throw them away, and I don't want to put them in the compost. Not yet, anyway. So I'm going to put them all back in here. And these roots suck up a lot of water. I add water to these containers every day. Okay, so there's that. And we have 5 of these tiny, look at those finger things from last year. 5 of these in here, and I'll let these continue to grow slips on the potatoes. Put that back in there. And so we have the smaller ones here. Let those root. All of them. And let these root. Look at this. So some of them are rooted already, but I can't put them in the ground yet. And then this is my bigger container with the longer ones. I'm going to add some more water to that. Make sure these roots are down in there. And I'll bring it back whenever I can get these in the ground. Don't know if I'm going to do container. Don't know yet if I'm going to do container or in ground. In a bed. Not sure. Not sure. So I still have, yeah, I really don't need any more. Maybe I'll give slips away. I still have slips in my kitchen windowsill right here. And then I have a great big one up in my bedroom window that have gone wild. These in a previous video, I showed all of them, but this is the one in the kitchen window. And it's one big potato right here with tons of roots. And it's a purple one as well, a different variety of a purple one. And this one was store-bought from an Asian market. I believe Asian market, I don't remember. But as I showed before, look how it grew. All the way up through the curtains, all the way up through the curtains, all the way up, all the way up to the ceiling. And then all the way that vine. Look at that. Just look at that. Somebody come look at this. Oh, I said that before. Let me stop. And this is another one. This was a smaller, skinny, purple sweet potato. And it's gone a little crazy too. I won't take you upstairs. You saw it before. You saw these before. But I just wanted to take you on this little journey with me as I do what I think I know I'm doing. I think I know. And let these roots grow and get them ready for planting outside one day, hopefully one day soon. I appreciate you. Give me a thumbs up if you don't mind. I would appreciate it. Peace and love. Happy growing. Grow with me so that I can grow with you. And we can grow together. We can do this together. Thank you so much. Have a wonderful, wonderful, wonderful day, evening, morning, whatever part of the day it is for you. And we'll see you soon. We'll see you real soon. Toodles! And I'm out.